All right, hey everybody, Silver Boss back here. Just want to do a video, go over what you need in order to make the jack-o'-lantern. You need a spray bottle of water. It's just regular tap water. You're going to need 2 cans of Loctite Gaps and Cracks foam. You're going to need some bowls. Now, it doesn't matter what kind of bowl you have as long as it's a big one. Most people use plastic. This is silicone. Loctite releases off of silicone rubber a little better. You can pick these up for $5 a pop at Family Dollar. You're going to need some kind of big tray. This is plastic. And that's about all you need to make the pumpkin, other than your paints. As far as the paints go, it depends on what kind of spray paint you want to use. I use the Rust-Oleum outdoor stuff. The colors you want will, again, it depends on what colors you want your pumpkin to be. So, yeah, that pretty much covers all of that. Anyway, what we first do, and I'll show you this. First do is we take the spray bottle and we spray the entire inside of our bowls with a mist. I have 2 bowls. I make both halves of the pumpkin at the same time. Again, with the silicone, I can leave that in here and let it set, and it'll start to firm up in about 15 minutes. And then I'll simply just pull it away from the sides and try to get my hand underneath it and pop it loose so that I know it'll come out. The water does a good job at helping to keep it from sticking. And again, since I'm using a silicone bowl, it pops out a lot easier. If you have plastic, you're going to want to check it within like 7 minutes after you spray your foam. But yeah, we just take the foam and you start at the bottom of the bowl and go around in circles, and then you go all the way up the outsides. But you want to stop about an inch before you get to the top of the bowl, because this foam expands. Once you spray your foam in there, take your spray bottle and spray all of your foam. Now what that's going to do is it's going to give it a chance to start to set, and in about 5 minutes it'll have a skin on it, so it will be, you can touch it. Now with this particular one, you don't want to be handling it much with your hands, because the foam will start to collapse and you won't get a very good pumpkin. There are other projects where you'll actually mold out the foam, because it can be molded into different shapes while it's still curing after it has that skin. You don't want to break the skin, because then it'll just ruin the whole thing. So anyway, I'm gonna get this one started, and I'll show you some more videos as I go along so you can see just exactly how this is done.